So your first driving lesson is coming up. Here at How to Pass Your Driving Test, we thought you would like to know what to expect. First things first, you will need your provisional driving license and glasses if required. You need to be able to read a number plate at 20 meters. Once in the car, you will be shown how to adjust the seat and mirrors. Your driving instructor will then explain what the basic controls do and how to use them. On a manual car, there are 3 pedals: the accelerator, foot brake and clutch. Let's take a look at what they do. The accelerator makes you go faster the more you press it. The brake, as you can probably guess, will slow you down or stop the car. You operate both of these pedals with your right foot. Now we come to the clutch. It's a little more complicated than the other pedals, so we have a small diagram here to help us understand it. The clutch could be described as a connecting device, as it connects the engine to the car's wheels. It is operated with your left foot. As you slowly release the clutch pedal, the clutch plates come into contact, turning the wheels. This is known as the biting point. Your car will start to move. There you go. You are now driving. There's obviously a bit more involved, and your driving instructor will be happy to explain all the finer details to you, but at least now you have some idea of what to expect. Don't forget to subscribe so you keep up to date with our top driving test tips. Here's a couple of our other videos for you to check out while you are here. Happy driving and keep safe out on the roads.